Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox Mivi Color Classic wireless earphones. In front side of the box there is Mivi branding and the headphone printed Color Classic wireless earphones, deep and powerful bass, fast charging and made in India. On the right side here is written engineered and made in India. On the left side of the box here is written push the limits. On the back side of the box here is written some specifications like HD stereo sound, splash and dustproof, light comfort, in ear fit, super solid bass with powerful drivers, mm, mic for the crystal clear calls, proudly made in India, magnetic lock for convenience, full charge 30-40 minutes depending on charger. We get the battery playback up to 10 hours. We get started with unboxing of box. Here we go. Nothing in the box. Here we get one warranty card from the Mivi, welcome card from the Mivi, and some user guide, some extra ear tip with different sizes, charging cable, a USB to micro USB, and finally the headphones. Nothing we get more extra. Here is the magnetic strip. Here is a power button for volume up down and the power on off button. On this side, upper side, we get here charging slot. On the other side we do not get nothing. Here are indicators for left and right side, left right. The wire is flexible and good quality wire. The flat wire is provided to the headphone here, and here is also left and right indicators are given. Here are the some of the box contents.